You think you want to do nothing. You romanticize the idea of unplugging, sitting still, and letting your mind finally go blank. Boredom is just a mild annoyance, a temporary lack of entertainment waiting to be filled. This is a lethal misreading of your own biology. Boredom is not an empty void. It is a violent, screeching alarm. Your brain treats idleness as a life-threatening crisis. Imagine your body reacting to starvation, not with a gentle stomach rumble, but with full-body, suffocating panic. That is exactly what happens when you stop moving. You are not experiencing a lack of dopamine. You're experiencing a primal starvation signal for critical data. Your mind is a relentless foraging machine, and stillness means death. 30,000 years ago, sitting still guaranteed you froze or starved. A week-long blizzard traps your ancestors in a cramped, stinking shelter. The fire dies down, the food cache empties. Your ancient brain does not encourage meditation. It injects pure, corrosive anxiety into your bloodstream to force you into motion. It forces you to pace. It forces you to scan the dark horizon for tracks, for water, for threats. Dopamine is not a reward chemical. It is a seeking chemical. It is the neural fuel that drives your hands to turn over rocks and your eyes to search the tree line. When you stop seeking, dopamine crashes. The crash triggers visceral, inescapable pain. You feel this ancient pain every time you sit on the couch and mindlessly reach for your phone. You are not addicted to the screen. You are addicted to the scan. Your thumb flicking through endless feeds is the exact same motor function as scanning the savanna for movement. Every headline is a rustle in the bushes. Every notification is a dropped berry. Every tweet is a distant smoke signal. The information is mostly useless, but the act of gathering it temporarily silences the alarm. The anxiety compounding in your chest when you lock your phone is your brain realizing the foraging run failed. You grab the device again. The alarm stops. The alarm restarts. The loop tightens. You are trapped in a prehistoric survival loop. The modern consensus insists you are overstimulated. Gurus tell you to detox, to unplug, to embrace the quiet. This is a catastrophic misunderstanding of the problem. You are not overstimulated. You are starving in a desert of useless data. Your brain is screaming for survival information, and you are feeding it digital cotton candy. The more you scroll, the hungrier the machine gets. The paradox of modern boredom is that the easier it becomes to forage for information, the more agonizing the downtime becomes. Your threshold for stillness shrinks to absolute zero. You cannot simply meditate your way out of a survival firmware designed to keep you moving. The next time you feel that unbearable itch to check your phone, recognize the ghost running the machine. You are not bored. You are not lazy. You are trying to survive a digital winter that will never end. Will you put the phone down?